Financial market is one of the most important elements in financial system. The financial system of any country consisting mainly four elements like financial institutions like central bank, commercial banks. Then the second element, it is financial services. These institutions may provide some services like insurance, banking, etc. The thirdly, it is financial instruments like shares, debentures, bonds, etc. Finally, the fourth one, it is financial market. In this chapter, we will learn the major concepts and operations of financial market. In previous chapter, you might have learned a business firm requires two types of capitals, fixed capital and working capital. These capitals can be raised from a market called financial market. So what is financial market? Financial market is a market for creation and exchange of financial assets like shares, debentures, bonds, etc. As we know, the normal market actually they are collecting some goods and distributing to the customers. Similarly, the financial market instead of goods here we deals with the financial assets. It mobilizes the savings from the householders and channeling them to most productive uses, means converting them, transferring them into the industrialist. Okay. Now let us examine what are the major functions of financial market. The first one it mobilizes the savings and channeling them to most productive uses that I already explained. The second function, it helps in price determination. So securities prices are determined in the financial market based on the market forces. Here the market forces means the demand and supply forces. So based on the demand and supply forces, securities means shares, debentures, prices are fixed by the financial market. The third one, it ensures liquidity. Here the liquidity means marketability. The financial market ensure marketability of financial assets. The financial assets can be either you can buy or sell the securities at any time, especially during the trade hours of the stock market. The fourth one, it reduces the cost of transactions. Like any other market, financial market also reducing the cost of transactions by providing necessary information, and moreover, any investors can buy the securities from anywhere in India. Okay. Then so we studied what actually means by the financial market and what are the four important functions of financial market. The financial market has again divided into two segments, or it has two components. One is capital market and another one is money market. Or money market and capital market are the major elements or components of financial market. So studying financial market means you are studying about money market and you are studying capital market. Now let us examine what is money market in detail.
Money market is a market for short-term financial assets having maturity period less than 1 year. As we mentioned earlier, it is an important segment of financial market, and this segment deals with short-term financial assets. And Reserve Bank of India is the leader or the regulator of money market, and other players are mutual funds, state government, etc. Now let's see the major subsystems of money market, or otherwise we call it as a major instruments traded in the money market. The first among them is treasury bills. Treasury bills are issued by RBI on behalf of the government to meet government's short-term financial requirements. Okay. Treasury bills are generally issued at a discount price and repayable on its face value. And therefore it is also known as zero coupon bonds, and its duration generally ranges from 14 days to 364 days, and they are available in the multiples of 25,000 rupees. The second instruments traded in money market is commercial paper. It is a short-term unsecured promissory note issued by large and credit-worthy companies to raise short-term funds. These funds are, promissory note are issued without pledging any securities, and its ranges from 15 days to 364 days. Call money is a mechanism used by commercial banks to maintain cash reserve ratio (CRR), and it is the shortest form of lending. It is ranges from 1 to 15 days. The fourth instrument, it is certificate of deposit or CDs. These are issued in bearer form by commercial banks and other development financial institution against a deposit received by them. The next item, it is the last item, commercial bill. It's a market for bills of exchange. We are very familiar with the bills of exchange. So these are the five subsystems of money market. After money market, the capital market comes. Capital market is a market for medium and long-term securities where equities and debt and equities are traded. So before going to have a discussion on capital market, we need to compare money market and capital market. And as far as examination is concerned, this is a very, very important question for public examination. Now let us check what are the major differences. The first one, it is its nature. It's a capital market. It's a market for medium and long-term securities. However, money market is a market for short-term securities. Second thing, it is related with players. Who are the players in the capital market? Securities Exchange Board of India, Stock Exchange, etc. Here it is RBI, commercial banks, etc. It is instrument traded. Here shares, debentures, etc. are traded. But in money market we studied treasury bills, commercial paper, etc. Then risk. As far as risk is concerned, capital market is high risky. However, the money market is almost all instruments are based on interest, so low risk. But the return is concerned, capital market. Possibility of high return is there in capital market. However, low return can be expected in the money market. Then investment outlay is concerned. No huge investment outlay is not needed in the capital market. We can buy securities. Even the share prices are very low. Even 10 rupees you can buy shares. Then here a huge investment outlay is needed. Treasury bill requires 25,000 rupees for one security. Then so these are the major differences between capital market and money market. Okay.
So friends, we will meet again with capital market in the next class. Okay, on the same channel. So for that, you please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.